What's up, guys? Welcome to Tegan's World. Today we're making bath bombs. This is what you need: a dab of olive oil, quarter cup of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 20 grams of citric acid, half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, and last, 1 tablespoon of water flicked in. First, you may put the olive oil in the molds. Second, a quarter cup of baking soda. Next, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Next, 20 grams of citric acid. Next, half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Next, we mix it with a spoon. Next, 1 tablespoon of water flicked in. Next, it smells really good like cocoa, and you keep on mixing until it forms like this. Next, you put it in the molds. And you keep on doing that until it fills up. Then you let them sit in the mold for 20 minutes so it can stick together.
20 minutes later.
Now that it's been 20 minutes, we have to carefully pop them out of the molds. Now you pop them out since it's been 20 minutes, and then you let them sit overnight. That's how you make a bath bomb. Please subscribe right here and hit the bell, and please give us a big thumbs up. Bye!